Hey, it's Sam back here. Thanks for coming to this video today. This is a video for Tube Amplify. Down below you'll find out about the software and training package. Also there's bonuses down below as well. Now as I mentioned, this is a software and training package. What it includes is everything that you need to run a successful YouTube channel from the ground up, even if you have no experience in the past doing it. So if you've wanted to generate traffic from YouTube, you understand that YouTube is the most trafficked website on the web. More people go on YouTube and spend more time on YouTube than any other website on the web right now. There's a massive opportunity to market over YouTube, and there are many successful marketers that have become really big as a result of YouTube. I could probably name a few. Six-pack shortcuts is one that comes to mind. And if you just search through YouTube, you'll find people that have generated, 50,000, 100,000, millions of subscribers over YouTube talking about certain topics and offering help to people. So it's a great way to get traffic, and it's a really good focus if you're trying to generate more traffic. So this is a training and software package. First of all, the training goes through step by step how to get started on YouTube. It goes through everything from the ground up. You're coached by Peter Beattie and this guy Parker Nurenstein, both who have successful YouTube channels, and you've got basically all the information you'd need in order to create your own successful YouTube channel that builds subscribers week to week, that consistently grows and consistently gets you traffic. This training goes into how to do video editing, so you can actually see firsthand how Peter goes ahead and edits his videos for YouTube. You'll see how to monetize your videos, how to build your subscribers as well, how to go from 0 to 50,000 subscribers and what the key points are in doing that. And you'll basically go through everything start to finish that you would need to run a YouTube channel. So if you're new to YouTube, you haven't got on YouTube yet, you plan on getting on YouTube, this might be a really good training to show you the ins and outs of how to use YouTube as a traffic source to sell your products, sell affiliate products, or anything else you want to sell as well. Now the software itself is this software right here. Unfortunately, this is a Windows software. So if you're on a Mac, you're out of luck. You'll need to use Parallels in order to make this software work. It's unfortunate, yes, but this is a Windows software. What this will do, and I'll show you a walkthrough, a video demo of this in just a moment, is what this will do is it'll basically suggest keywords for you. It'll give you the ability to find the types of keywords you should be ranking for your videos. You can even spy on your competition with this software. You can spy on their channels, see how much traffic they're getting on a daily basis, track your own videos and channel, see how many subscribers you're getting, how many views you're getting, what your rank is on YouTube, what your rank is on Google, and much more with this software. So if you do want to get access to this software will help you and is a great complement to this training. But the main point of this is, if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube, this software is going to show, this training is going to show you how to do that, and the software is going to be complementary to that. So here is Cyril. He's the creator of the software. He's going to show you a demo of the software right now, and if you want to get access to this, there is a discount that's available for the first few hours, so make sure you go down below, find out all the information, and get in sooner rather than later so you don't miss out. Thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll see you later.
Welcome everyone. In this quick demo, I will show you what Tube Amplify can do and how to use it. Tube Amplify is the most powerful YouTube rank tracking application around, and with it you can track your keyword and video rankings for your YouTube videos and channels very easily. So let's get started. You start by creating a new project or opening an existing project if you've already got a project created. And because we are starting from scratch, there are no projects created, there's nothing on this list, and I cannot open a selected project. So I'm going to start with a new project and go from scratch. So create a new project, and then you'll be asked for some information. You can supply the project title. So this can be something that has to do with your channel, maybe my YouTube channel or whatever you want to call it. And then you will need to give your channel URL. So just get the channel URL from YouTube, from Google on the address bar, and then paste it over there. So the channel URL will have this C little letter over here, which actually marks this as a channel URL. Next, you can actually select the regions that you want to track. By default, YouTube Worldwide and Google Worldwide are selected. And if you want to add on more countries, more local YouTube channel, more local YouTube regions, all the countries that YouTube is active in are listed over here, and you can select the countries that you want to go with. Let's go with YouTube Algeria, for instance. Now click on OK, and Tube Amplify will ask you where to save the data file. So we can save it somewhere where we can retrieve it again. So I'm saving it on the desktop, for instance. click on save, and this will open Tube Amplify with the new project that we just created. So this is where all the action in Tube Amplify happens. And you can see we've got a number of options and buttons, and I'm going to explain what they do very shortly. So first, we got two modules in Tube Amplify. The first one is the keyword module, which allows you to track keyword rankings on YouTube. And we are on the keyword module right now. We haven't added any keywords, so we're gonna add some keywords soon. So we got some options over here. Suggest keywords. If you click on suggest keywords, you can provide a root keyword and get a list of suggestions of keywords related to that one. So let's try that. Let's put in a keyword that we can check for. So let's put in toys, for example, and click on OK. Tube Amplify is now searching for related keywords. So here we have some keywords now, and if you want, you can select them and use inside the software. You can copy them to the clipboard by clicking on the button. Then you can add the keywords to Tube Amplify by clicking on the Add Keywords button. So click on that, and let's add one of the keywords. Let's, for example, add toys video. And then you need to specify which video you want to track for this keyword. Which video's rank do you want to track? And we can do that if we already have a list of videos. They will all appear over here, and we can select from the list. And if we want, we can view the video. If there's something in the list, we can view the video by clicking the view button. But if there is nothing, you can click on add new button checkbox and add your video URL. So here we have a video now, and click OK. So what Tube Amplify did was it got the keyword, it checked the keyword for the video rank, and it got the video rank and other details. So you got the video ID, you got the video title, you got the total number of views in the video. And once you start collecting the details, you'll also start getting other details like daily views, the ranking of the video in YouTube worldwide, the ranking of the video in Google worldwide, and the ranking in the country that you selected. In this time it's Algeria, and this is the shortcode for this country. And we can see that for this keyword, this video is not really ranking. It's not in top 100 at all. So let's check another video. So I added another video right over here, this one, and as you can see, this one is ranked 3 for this particular keyword, and on Google worldwide it's ranking 68, and on YouTube Algeria, it's also again ranking number 3. So this way you can actually build a list of all the videos that you want to check rankings for, and once you have them added, and you can keep Tube Amplify running every day. You can run it once every day, and it will collect the latest data, and all of this data will be displayed in the chart below, and of course the table above. So you can see details according to the time that you want to see them for. You can see the daily view, weekly view, monthly view, and you will get a chart which will exactly show you how the rankings are moving through this period. Right now we only have data for 1 day, so there's not much there to show, but once you collect the data for a few days, you will get to see this data in a very, very nice manner, along with the graphs and the line charts, which will make it very easy for you to visualize how your rankings are moving along time. Of course, you can check any video you want, and you can even toggle between the regions by clicking on the region you want to work with. So this is a great way to analyze where you're heading and how your rankings are moving across time, how you're doing better or worse on rankings, how your competitors are doing, and finding out what you can do to increase your rankings more. You can also add more regions. We already have YouTube worldwide, Google worldwide, and YouTube Algeria. You can add any other region you want from the complete list. Just click the checkbox next to it, and this region will be added, and from the next time it will also be started tracking. Click this button to get the latest ranks for the video. This is check rankings, and when you start in the day, or maybe you have Tube Amplify running all across the day and you want to check it again in the evening about what happened, did you make better rankings or did something new happen, you can click on check rankings, and Tube Amplify will get the latest rankings from YouTube. And if you want, you can export a CSV file with all this data. You can export the CSV, and you can open it in Excel, and you can further use your formulations or whatever you want to do with those with those data points, and you process them further. So that's also possible. And if you want to delete any keyword that you're working with, just click on delete keywords and it will be deleted. Another interesting feature is the take screenshot button. So if you click on take screenshot, this graph will be captured and you can save this in a JPEG file. So you can work with it. You can, if you want to show it in a presentation, or if you want to share it with your team members or with your clients, maybe if you're working for a client, you can do that. And next we have the competition area, and I guess you'll be using this a lot because this is a very, very unique and important feature which will let you pit your videos against the competition. So if you got a video that's in the top 10 and maybe you want to pit it with a video where that's above you, maybe you're number 6, and you want to compare it with a video that's number 5 and see how you can do better, you can do so. Or if you want to pit your video, one of your videos which is in the same niche or maybe in the same category as one of the other videos from your competitor, you can do so and get the latest stats and compare your videos with your competitor's videos using this system. And in this particular section, we again have three subsections. The first one is keyword, to check against keywords. So if you're ranking for a particular keyword and you want to check your video for rankings against somebody else's video, you can do so. Just click on add keyword over here and you'll be able to add a new keyword. So here we added a video URL. Let's add a URL for the competitor's video too. Click on add the video, and both these videos are now added, and you can see some comparative stats. So this is the keyword, this is your video ID, this is your competitor's video ID, this is the channel name, the video title, the total number of views that both you guys have, the number of daily views. And you will get this data, of course, when you start running Tube Amplify for a few days. All of this data will come along and you will see this data too. And you can see the comparison between your views and your competitors' views, and as they grow over time on this graph, ranking and views. And similarly, you can also compare channels. So you can compare the stats for your channels with your competition. You already got the one channel over here, which I added at the beginning of this, at the beginning when I created the new project. And you can create a new channel. You can add a new channel by clicking on the add button and adding the competitor's channel URL. So here we add the competitor's URL and it's added. So you can compare it with your channel, see what stats it has, say what stats you have, and then see how your channel grows across time, along time, and how that channel, the competitor's channel, grows along the time, and what you can do to make your channel do better. So this is a great way to actually find what you're doing on your channel and what your competitor is doing, and how you guys are actually progressing in comparison to each other. If you want, you can also auto find the competitors for any channel. Just put in the channel URL over here and it will find the number of competitors for that channel using YouTube itself. So here we've got some competitors for the channel that we put in, and these are the top competition for that channel, and you can compare your channel with all of these channels to find out how you are doing in comparison and what you can do to move ahead and to track your performance with other people's performance. Again, you can export data and there is a check ranking button. So if you want to check your ranking, you can do so by clicking on the check ranking button and refresh the rankings anytime you want. Then we have the videos section, and again, you can add any video URL. So click on add your video URL and add the URL of the video that you want to compare. So here, let's add a video. And we got some details for it, and let's add the competitor video too. And now you can compare the data for these two videos, how these two videos are facing off each other, which video does how on a particular day, how many views they get, how many daily likes and dislikes they're getting in comparison to each other. And this can actually help you understand how your videos are doing a long time, and how you're comparing with your competitors' videos in the same niche, or maybe ranking for the same keyword or videos that you're trying to target. All of this can be seen. You can compare views, you can see the graph for likes, you can see a graph for dislikes, and you can see a graph for comments. Of course, all of this data will be displayed very visually, very beautifully as you progress. So if you run it tomorrow, you will see data. If you run it day after tomorrow, you will see more data. And similarly, every day new data will be added and the graph will be created to help you understand how this how you're performing and how you can do better in reference to your competitors, which one of your competitors videos are working well, which one of your videos are working well, which one of the videos are not working well. And you can use all this intelligence to plan your content, get ranked better, and get better views, more likes, more comments on YouTube by targeting the right market, the right niches, the right keywords, and by producing the right kind of content.